So do you find that it's a daily choice? Because healing is often said to
Yes.
be a journey and not a destination. So it's a conscious daily decision to continue to heal.
Yes, I made routines because there were moments I started a healing journey and then I stopped because I felt fine. And then life goes on and then boom, you get that back. Like I said before, it's non-stop. So yeah, you have to find little things that will make you go forward and find yourself. Healing, if you ask me, you will do healing all your life in a way. So it's not like there is a timeline and everything. Even I'm fine, but I still have to force myself certain days like, hey, come on, Pam, let's do this. You can do this. Come on. You motivate yourself. Be kind to yourself. Careful the way you speak to yourself. If someone gives you a compliment, take it. If someone tells you too much, you do this, because during my healing journey, like my friend who betrayed me again and then told me, but I didn't do as bad as people of your family or your ex-husband or this. So she minimized my pain. And I said to her, no, stop. Who are you to tell me? But you're a perfectionist. You put pressure on everyone because you want everything always perfect. I said, you know what? That's how you get things done. And it was the first time that I actually, because she was older than me, that I actually stood up. Like I say, I'm not taking this from you. You're so wrong. And you're not going to minimize how I feel that you betrayed me 30 times and you sit with me at the table. My son called you auntie. I mean, who are you? I cut her off. So yeah, little step. And the small steps makes the big impact. Yes.
And sometimes, in that healing journey, our friendships change, our connection.
Definitely, yes. Because some people don't grow, and that's okay. You are not there to help them, to make them get out of there. They have to find their own way. You are not there to fix people. That idea that you have to pull everyone, I did that for many years, trying to help and pull everyone with me. I think I thought I was like some kind of superwoman. Like, let me put my cape, I had a job, let's do it. I started my beauty salon. This particular friend worked with me in the beauty salon. I was like, come on, we can do this. And trying to pull everyone. But you know how exhausting that is? And how much of your energy you again giving away. Some people, you will outgrow them. Yeah. And that's okay.